Hello and welcome back to the latest video of How Logical. In this video, I'm going to show you how can you apply for a job in Upwork platform. If you're having any trouble applying for a job in Upwork, this video is just for you. So without any further delay, let's dive right into the video. Step 1. Open your Google Chrome and search for Upwork. Firstly, you have to open your Google Chrome and search Upwork and click to this first option that pops up after searching. Step 2. Find search bar and search for the job you're looking for. Shortly after clicking to the Upwork, it will lead you to this Upwork profile and you can see this search bar here and you have to search the job you're looking for. I'm gonna search YouTube thumbnail creator here. After a short processing, it will show the job options here. I'm going to select the second job option here and read the terms. Step 3. Apply. After reading the terms and condition of the job, you just have to click simply to this apply option and fill up the more conditions and attach a cover letter. And after writing the cover letter, you just simply have to send these applications using your connects. And then you have to check this box here and just click to continue. I successfully submitted this proposal here. You can also submit your applications using the simple steps that I followed in this video. If this video was helpful, make sure to like this video. We'll keep making this kind of helpful video for you in the future, so make sure to share and subscribe the channel. We'll meet in another video. Till then, be safe and happy.